All right, so in this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to actually install the tablet size screen film. Like we showed you, as far as the alignment, it comes up to the black line there. And it's going to go up in between the left and the right ears. It's going to go all the way back. So it's kind of hanging out the back of the machine quite a bit. Then you're going to go over here. If you have the standard size machine, you're going to, again, choose the small machines. If you have the XL, you're going to choose the large machine tablet cuts. So for this, we're going to choose the small machine. This is a Samsung, and I'm just going to type this out really quick. It's a Tab A 10.1. Sometimes if there's a lot of models to choose from, it's easier just to search it in the search bar. So here's our device here, the Tab A 10.1. And send that to the cutter. That's going to go ahead and cut the film out. And I'll explain one thing while it's doing what it's doing there. You want to use the large squeegee for this process. If you use the small one, you're going to get quite a bit of bubbles because it's not pushing out in a consistent manner. So we're going to have this one right here we're going to be using. As soon as it's done cutting, you want to lower the lever right here in the back and pull the tablet size screen film out. And you're going to go ahead and remove it from the backing paper. Make sure you're grabbing it from the side, right at the crease or the slit on the alignment layer there. If you grab it from the top or the bottom, there's a chance that it's going to separate this prematurely. So set the backing paper over to the side. And again, just like the phone, you want to pick out any of the cutouts and discard. So you're going to align it. Again, if you make a mistake and it's misaligned, you can go ahead and pick it back up. And again, make sure you're trying to pull it off from this crease right here. Let's see if I can get this lined up here. All right, you want to make sure to take the tablet squeegee just so you can cover most of the device. Some of the bigger devices, if you have the XL machine, this is not going to go all the way to the edge, but it will still work fine on that. So to remove the dust, you can press it down a little bit like that. Use the edge to bow up the entire piece. Go back to the crease. And just like the phone, go ahead and slide that in one fluid manner. Pick this up, turn it around. And then I'm going to do the same thing here on the other side. So again, you're going to lean the material back and firm pressure on your squeegee. And in a fluid motion, remove this alignment layer. From this point, just work out any bubbles, working from the inside out. And then again, this crease right here, I'll show you kind of a little bit more about that, as far as, again, how to remove it by just pressing on it. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off this outer layer, that's trash. So now the only thing that remains on here is the screen film itself. So you can just press it down. If you want to use the small one at this point, because you've gotten most of the work already done, to be a little more precise, you can do that at this point. Just work out any remaining bubbles. Like that. And again, that crease in the middle, just press it. And that's it.